Hi, so today we're going to be creating an ad account that is prepaid so you can fund it when you want and use it to run ads. So this is what the ad accounts look like, but before you get here you need to obviously start from somewhere else. So the first thing is you go to your Facebook page, go to ads manager. I've created a tab already, so let's just go to that tab that I've created. So in the ads manager tab, you would go to business settings, right? So when you click on business settings, it will take you to the number of businesses that you have in your Facebook. Now I'm going to use Phoenix Socials because that's the business that I've created before. Again, I've already opened the tab, so you may just see that I'm clicking on the tab instead of opening it in real time, right? So the tab is what you are seeing right about now. When you are in business settings and you are in ad accounts, as you can see, click on that add button that you are seeing at the top. So you click on add button, you click on create a new ad account. So to give you an option to add another account name. So for this tutorial, I'll be adding just something for testing purpose. So I'm going to use test run ad account, right? Make sure the time zone is your city. Make sure the currency is your currency, in this case Naira. So you click on next. Remember that I chose a business before as Phoenix Social, so I'll click that business again as what I'm going to use the ad account for. Click on create, right? So when you click on create, it would ask you to do one or two things, and this part is actually quite crucial, right? So make sure you give access to your Facebook name, which is what I'm seeing on the left, Farouk Ajanaku, right? Turn on that toggle on that thing at the top, and this one too. Then assign. You're assigning it to your Facebook, right? Now, when account is successfully created, do not add payment info yet, just like closing, right? Exit this part too. So you can see now that ad account, you are seeing test run ad account, right? So this is not like the ending of things, right? We have to first go ahead and check in ads manager if it's showing. It should, but we have to check anyways. So when ads manager loads, you would see what I'm talking about. Okay, so at the top you can see Phoenix, which is one ad account, but that's not what I just created, right? So click on it. In case you already have another account before, it will show there. Then to show you the second one which you just created if you created it properly. So as you can see test run ad account which I just created like a couple of seconds ago. Before that, it was just that Phoenix ad account that was showing on this account. So I'll click on test run ad account, right? The reason why I'm clicking on that is because we want to go and add a payment method. We've created the ad account, but we want to make it a prepaid ad account, right? So after it has switched to test run ad account, you would see error message saying go to account overview to add payment method before you can run ads with this account, right? So click on those three dots and three lines rather to the left and go to billing. Please confirm first that you are already in test run ad account. It will show at the top left. So I'm going to billing, and then when you get to billing, we'll make it a prepaid ad account. It's loading it. All right, so when you are in test run ad account, you would see payment settings, and you see that there's no current balance and there's no money that you are owing. That's why the pay now button is not visible. So click on payment settings. Payment settings will take you to a place where you would see a button that says add payment method. So when you click on add payment method, right, it will show you your GMT, like your time zone, for you to confirm, and to show you the currency which you chose when creating the ad account. Again, just to confirm. So make sure you check all of this: the country, currency, time zone, and city. Then click on next. So when you click on next, you would see these two. So click on Naira payment with MasterCard/Visa. That is PayU, right? So when you click on next here, you would see this one. Just keep this one. It's not necessary. So when you skip this, you would see how much you want to add, like how much you want to add. So the first time it's better to put a small amount of money. I'm clicking next here because I'm not going to actually add that money. I'm just showing you for showing purposes, right? So you have to click on continue if you want to pay, and then you see your card details for you to add the money. But I'm going to go back because the job has already been done. You can see prepaid funds already, right? So whenever you want to add money, you click on add funds, you'll be able to add money to the account. So that is how to create a prepaid ad account that doesn't have to use your card to run ads on Facebook and Instagram. Make sure you like this video, subscribe and share. Turn on the notification bell so you can get notifications when I drop another video. Thank you for watching.